I had a labor-related issue. It could have actually cost me around 80, 90 grand.
We live in a world where everything has legal consequences, where legal costs can run into tens of thousands of rands before you know it. For a premium of just 99 rand per month, a Holland legal plan will give you all the professional legal assistance you need, with cover of up to 99,000 rand per matter.
Whenever you need any legal advice, it does not cost you anything. You just call them, you tell them what's happening. They call you back, they advise you.
Don't allow yourself to be a victim of circumstance. Send an SMS or please call me to the number on screen and we'll call you back. With legal backing to take on labor, civil or criminal matters, it could be the best call you'll ever make.
Whatever thing that happens in your life, you are protected.